How you doing, YouTube? This is Chris Mizo here with another video about dark mode. And I want to talk specifically dark mode for Microsoft Windows, even your Android device, and specifically Google Chrome as well. If you're not familiar with dark mode, it not only looks cool, but it will save your eyes from that harmful, glaring UV light that you get from when you're browsing the web, or when you're entering a program where it mostly has a white background. And what it does is it inverts that white light to a dark background. Especially on Google Chrome, most websites should look like this. Of course, I gotta forewarn you that dark mode hasn't been quite perfected just quite yet, and I will explain very shortly the reason why. If you found this content useful, make sure you don't forget to go down and hit that thumbs up. And also, if you want to join this big wonderful fan band where we love to talk about tech, make sure you go down and hit that subscribe button. Now let me show you exactly how you can get dark mode enabled for your PC and also for your browser and even your Android device. Make sure you watch this whole video to know what it takes to exactly join the dark side. As I explained earlier, of course, dark side hasn't been quite perfected yet. So when you go on certain websites such as marketwatch.com, it can come up a little funky looking. Hey FanBam, are you ready to join the dark side? You'll be able to browse just like this, and this, and this. And again, of course, this isn't perfect, and I really hope you guys understand the repercussions of joining the dark side. The good thing about dark mode is you'll save your eyes from strains, especially them floaters in your eyes where you swear that there's a bug in your eye. You know how many swings I made at my monitor thinking that there's a bug? The very first option that I will show you guys is the more easier option. There is another way to do this. Of course, if you do the other way, this will also help you enable dark mode also on your Android device as well. And you iPhone users out there, don't worry if you have invert mode on already, because then you're already in dark mode. That's as far as you guys could get. Without further ado, let's get into dark mode. So the very first way of getting into dark mode, specifically in Windows 10, first, we got to make sure that your Windows OS is already in dark mode. If you're sure about your OS being in dark mode, you can just skip this step. The way you get to dark mode, or how you set dark mode, first, you go to the Windows button, go to settings, then right here, you're gonna go to personalization. Once you're in personalization, go to colors, and make sure you have that black checked out. Congrats, you're halfway through the dark side. Pretty easy, right? But hold on, let's see if your transformation's complete. When you open up your Google Chrome browser, more than likely your pages won't be dark yet. And that's because Google Chrome has not been set yet in dark mode. More than likely, your address bar will change, your bookmarks, your menu, they'll all be in dark mode. But the web pages that you do go on will not be in dark mode. So in order to change that, you gotta exit out of Google Chrome. So this is where you could do two different options. You could do option A or option B. And I'll show you exactly what I mean. So for option A, you can use it as a trial run to see if you like it. Go to your desktop and see if you have a shortcut for Google Chrome. If you don't have the shortcut to Google Chrome, what you got to do next is you go to the search bar, begin to type Google Chrome. You'll see a pop-up. When you do see a pop-up, you're going to right click it and you're going to open up the file location. When you have the file location open, you're going to right click Google Chrome. You're going to send it to the desktop. When you send it to the desktop, you'll have a shortcut for Google Chrome. So you're going to right click Google Chrome, you're going to go to properties. When you go to properties, you're going to type force-dark-mode. And when you set that, you're going to force dark mode onto your Google Chrome browser. All you have to do next is hit apply and click OK. I'll make sure to put it down in the description box down below so you can copy the exact target that I have set for Google Chrome properties. That wasn't so bad now, right? Now, you're part of the dark side. What if you wanted to do a different option instead of right-clicking your icon and forcing dark mode? The good news is that you can. And I'll show you exactly how. And this also works on Android devices as well. All you have to do is open up Google Chrome's browser. What you're going to write is Chrome, and you're gonna write flags. Once it opens up, you're gonna notice it gives you experiments and it gives you experimental features ahead. And forced dark mode is one of those features. As you can see, I have it enabled for my PC. And you could set it to however you choose. This also works on Android devices with Google Chrome browsers. If you type this in, the same exact menu will practically come up. If you found this content very useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, if you want to join the big wonderful fan bam and talk about techie stuff, make sure you go down and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for all my newest updates. Make sure you go down and follow my Twitter handle right down below. And guys, I gotta say, do you guys prefer being on dark mode instead of being on light mode? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Chris Mizo, signing out.